Since I was a child, I've always been fascinated by beauty, or at least my own sense of beauty. As we know, it comes in many different forms and shapes, from design, fashion, art, and this journey on the search for beauty is what made me open my own studio here in Milan. Place is a container for the many passions that animate our work at Spinzi, and it evolves when new inspiration come to our mind or when a piece finds a new home. Dreams and memories play an important role in what we design, like the Meccano collection that is inspired by one of my favorite toys, or Medusa that is designed after a dream I had on Lake Como. I brought the car inside because it's like a sculpture to me. Many cars are iconic, but how many are timeless like the 911? It's one of the best examples of great design. When I was a kid growing up in the 80s, I remember I used to play with the model of the 911 and getting lost in its line and details and dream that one day I will own one. There is an important design lesson coming from this car. Its essence can evolve over time and it never go out of fashion. It's a valuable thing we keep in mind while we design our pieces. I believe learning from the past is the key to imagine and sometimes foresee the future.